paper drags. I go down another thousandths or two based on the thickness of the paper. Where am I at from Z home, guys?
11.22 inches away.
Minus 11.222 inches. If I go to Matt's offset page and I look at tool 1, where's his geometry offset? 11.211. He's 10 thousandths away from me, and look at what he had to adjust in where? 9 thousandths. So Matt and I are within a thousandths of each other. See how that works? I'm at 11.222. He's at 11.220. Am I right? 220.
2110.
But you add in the wear.
Yeah, but you add in the wear. Well, that's where this is where he actually machined at.
Okay, that makes sense.
See, I can adjust my tool length compensation with a wear offset manually. It's going to take both of these two. Every time it reads an H2, it's going to take the length comp and the wear comp, add them together, and that's my value. So if I tell my machine to go to 1 inch above 0 with height offset 1 engaged, it's going to go an inch positive from minus 11.220. Does that make sense? I know that's a little hard to grasp, guys, but every move that this machine makes when that tool offset is active, it's going to adjust that move by 11 inches, 220 thousandths. Okay? So this is where we put our tool length offsets. Now, are you done here pretty much? I'm gonna wipe out your wear. And I'm going to come over here, and guys, I'm touching my Z0 right now. When I hit tool offset measure button, exactly my position screen, that number goes into my height or length geometry offset for tool number 1. Everybody sees how that works now? Old school, we used to have to actually look at our position page and then come over here and type in minus 11.222 and set that number in our offset page. Technology has given us the ability to simply touch the 0 surface and hit the tool offset measure button. Any questions? Everybody good? Back to home.
You got to do that for each tool?
Each tool. You would set a length offset for each tool. Now, this machine has other capabilities. Kurt was referring to taking an actual tool length movement. This machine has the ability to do that through a tool touch probe. I can actually send a tool over, touch it off that probe that's mounted back here on the back of my table, which is calibrated to the spindle nose, or what we call the spindle gauge line, and it will tell me and insert the length of the tool in a positive value. A positive value. And then we take the probing system and come down and touch the top of the part, and we set our G54 offset for our tool heights. We adjust them all at one time. Guys, I'm going to go ahead while we're out here. I'm going to talk to you, I'll draw some more pretty pictures in there on the whiteboard. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what our fixture offset consists of using this long offset method. Matt has a G54 set up. I'm going to set up a G55, okay? And I'm not going to get an edge finder. I'm just going to show you how it works, okay?
There's one in there.
An edge finder?
Tool size.
I'm going to take